Hey everyone, welcome back to my HTML series. In the previous session, we learned about the basic HTML tags and understood how each of them is used to structure a web page. Today, we'll use all of them together to create a fun little project, a chocolate candy shop web page. Before going to the next topic, let us quickly revise all the tags which we have previously learned. Doc type HTML. This line tells the browser that we are using HTML5, the modern version of HTML. It's always written at the top of your file. The second one is HTML tag. These tags wrap the entire page. Everything from the head to the body goes inside this main HTML container. The third tag is head tag. The head tag contains information about your web page, things that the user doesn't directly see. Here, we added the title tag to name our web page Chocolate Candy Shop, which appears on the browser's tab. And the fourth tag is body tag. Inside the body tag, we place all the visible content like text, headings, and images. And the fifth tag is H1 tag. This is our main heading. We used it for the title. Welcome to the chocolate candy shop. Remember, H1 gives the biggest and boldest text on the page. The sixth tag is paragraph tag. This tag is used for paragraphs. We add a description. We sell delicious handmade chocolates with sweet fillings. You can add multiple paragraph tags if you want more paragraphs. Seventh tag is image tag. Here is a new tag we are learning today. This image tag is used to display images on your web page. Here we gave it three attributes: src, alt, width. Here the main question is, what are attributes? Attributes give extra information about an HTML element. In HTML, attributes are always written in a name equal to value format. It looks like this. The name is the type of information you are giving, like src, alt, or width. The value is the actual information or setting for that attribute, like the image link or number. Let us see the example from our code. We used image src, right? Image src. src is attribute name and the link which is provided there is the value. The meaning of that is the location of the image. We also used alt. Here alt is attribute name, chocolate candy is value. The meaning of this is text shown if image doesn't load. Here in our code we also used width and the value of that is 400. The meaning is the width of the image in pixels. So here src equals to name and the URL equals to value. Alt equals to name and the chocolate candy equals to value. Width equals to name and 400 is the value. So by this we can understand that each attribute is written in a name and value pair. The name tells what type of information it is and the value tells what that information actually is. We'll learn more about attributes in detail in the next video. Now let's quickly look at our HTML code and execute it to see how it looks in the browser. Things we should know from our code. As we have discussed previously, doc type HTML tells the browser it's an HTML file page. HTML tag, main container for the web page. Head tag plus title tag, page information, title appears on the browser tab. Body tag, visible content goes here. H1 tag, big headings, welcome to the chocolate candy shop. The heading is big, right? Paragraph tag, paragraph text describing the shop. This is the new step which we are doing today, that is the image src. It shows the chocolate image. Src equals to image link, alt equals description, width equals size. We discussed previously about HR tag, that is horizontal line separating sessions, and the next is another paragraph tag, that is visit again for more flavors soon, and the last is we are closing the body tag and HTML tag. So here is our output. So that's it for our chocolate candy shop webpage for now. In the next episode, we'll add more decoration, colors and styling to make it look even sweeter. Keep watching.